Guys, hello, it's been a while since we last spoke. For the first time in many years, a Samsung flagship smartphone might be faster than a competing iPhone. According to some reports, the Galaxy S25 which is expected to be released early next year, might have a faster processor and RAM than the iPhone 16. According to AG News, Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix are speeding up mass production of low-power double data rate 6 dynamic random access memory to get ahead. Leading position in the industry based on artificial intelligence. This is next generation RAM. Generation time provides significantly increased data throughput necessary for faster processing of artificial intelligence tasks on the device. The Joint Council on Electronic Device Development is expected. Devices that are an international organization for semiconductor standardization, the specifications will officially be announced. LPDDR6 DRAM in the second half of this year, possibly in September 2024. Samsung and SK Hynix made public introduced their LPDDR6 DRAM chips at the same time. LPDDR5 memory was announced in February of 2019. The year and the launch of LPDDR6 is expected in 5 years later. Although there is no information on the speed of LPDDR6, LPDDR5 has a bandwidth of 6.4 GHz. A second, while low-power double data rate 5 extended has a data throughput of 8.5 gigabits per second. However, it is said that Samsung and SK Hynix are focused on improving efficiency and reducing the cost of producing LPDDR6 DRAM rather than increasing its performance. But it still needs to be higher than low-power double data rate. LPDDR6 memory is likely to get damaged in phones with the Snapdragon 8G chipset. This is the same chipset that will likely be used in the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus and S25 Ultra, at least for some in markets. Similar to Galaxy S24 Ultrasonic, the C25 Ultra can be used exclusively Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in all countries. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is equipped with Qualcomm's custom processor cores, Orion, developed by Nuvia. These cores have already been used in the Snapdragon X Elite processor, which will be used in several on Windows-based laptops in the second half of this year. They say these processor cores work faster than the future Apple A18 Pro cores. Over the past couple of years, Qualcomm has used more powerful GPUs than Apple. Thus, the Galaxy S25 series with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor might have a faster processor, graphics, and DRAM memory than the competing iPhone 16 Pro series, but frankly, we hear this tune every year, though to be fair, a sharp diss is indeed making giant strides towards matching the performance of the Bayonet in terms of processor performance, and who knows, they might finally manage to outpace the competitor in. What do you think? Folks, write in the comments your opinions, your expectations, and we will definitely keep an eye on the situation, also urging you to subscribe to our Telegram channel for more timely updates in a daily format. Insights and just my thoughts, so make sure you subscribe. Well, that's all for today, thank you.
Good luck to everyone.